Have you ever sipped your morning coffee and pondered what would happen if the sun's gravity weakened? Well, I'm sure it's a thought that's crossed your mind once or twice. Or never. But let's entertain this unusual question, shall we? You see, our sun, that glowing ball of gas in the sky, holds an incredible amount of gravitational pull. It's like the big boss of our solar system, keeping all the planets in check. Now, I'm not saying we should start a petition to put the sun on a diet, but it's an interesting thought, isn't it? What if our sun decided to slack off a bit? Maybe it's been working too hard and it needs a break. Or maybe it's been hitting the cosmic gym and lost some gravitational mass. So what would happen if the sun suddenly decided to slack off on its gravitational pull? Would planets collide like marbles? Let's dive into some scientific predictions. Scene script. Picture this. The sun, our celestial maestro, suddenly decides to conduct the planetary ballet with a lighter touch. It's not a pretty picture, folks. Just as a puppeteer controls their marionettes, the sun governs the movements of the planets in our solar system through its gravitational pull. But what if the sun decided to slacken its grip? Well, according to Dr. Astrid Nova from the Interstellar Physics Institute, a weakened sun's gravity could send Earth and its planetary brethren spinning off into the cosmos. It's like being on a merry-go-round that suddenly loses its center. Talk about an unexpected vacation. Now imagine the remaining planetary bodies in our solar system, deprived of the sun's gravitational embrace. They'd likely go careening off in different directions. One could say it would be like a cosmic game of billiards, but with planets instead of balls. Mars might head off for a rendezvous with Venus, while Jupiter might decide to take a detour through the asteroid belt. It's a planetary party, and everyone's invited. But let's not forget about our own blue marble Earth. Without the sun's gravity keeping us in check, we would be sent hurtling into the vast expanse of space. And if you think finding your way home after a night out is tough, try navigating in an endless void with no GPS. Yet there's a silver lining in this cosmic chaos. According to a paper published in the Journal of Theoretical Astrophysics, a weakened sun's gravity could potentially result in new planetary alignments and orbits, creating a whole new cosmic order. It's like reshuffling the deck in a game of cosmic poker. You never know what hand you'll get dealt next. So it seems like a weakened sun's gravity could turn our solar system into a cosmic game of pinball. But let's not panic just yet. There's more to this story. So we've established that a weakened sun's gravity could cause a bit of a cosmic kerfuffle. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What would this mean for us on Earth? Well, for starters, the weakening of the sun's gravity would really throw a wrench into our planet's tides. The ebb and flow of the ocean's tides, currently under the influence of the moon and the sun, would be all out of whack. You can say goodbye to those romantic moonlit beach walks, unless of course you fancy a surprise tsunami. Now, let's talk climate. With a change in gravity, Earth's orbit could shift. This could lead to some serious changes in our global climate. We could very well end up with tropical winters and icy summers. Pina coladas in December, anyone? But hey, it's not all bad news. We might get a few extra minutes in our day. With a weaker gravitational pull, the Earth could slow down its rotation. On the bright side, we'd finally have a legitimate excuse for being late to work. Sorry, boss, the sun's gravity weakened and it messed up my alarm clock. So, if you've been dreaming of a life in zero gravity, a weakened sun's gravity might just be your ticket. But remember, folks, be careful what you wish for. So we've taken a lighthearted look at a pretty weighty topic. But we want to hear from you. Let's hypothesize. If the sun's gravitational pull did weaken, what do you think the outcome would be? And how about a zero-gravity lifestyle? Would we be floating around or would we adapt? It's all just theoretical, of course, but it's fun to ponder. Share your theories, your thoughts, your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, show us your love by pressing that like button. And if you don't like this video, show us some love by, you guessed it, pressing that like button anyway. So in the end, it all comes down to that like button. Thank you to all of you.